Hey guys, and welcome to my new YouTube channel. Today I'm going to interviewing slimes, and this is my first one. And yeah, it's fluffy slime, and you know, it just looks like normal slime, really. But trust me, it's not. So let's start playing with this stuff. So guys, I'm doing this thing. I'm doing a giveaway of this slime. I've had this like about a month, and it's been kept in a container. So be sure to subscribe, like my video, and comment down saying you want it, right? And I will give it to you if you put in your email address in the comments. But really, just hit a button. My button is right here, but down here. Boop, you're subscribed. And be sure to put in the little notifications bell. Oh god, I totally messed up. Can we hit 10 subscribers, guys? That'd be epic. So yeah, should we get started? Yeah, I think we should. In fact, that was the piece I wasn't really going to give away. I had another piece of it. And yeah, if you want to make the twisted bit, like twisted fluffy slime, I mean, this really might not look fluffy, but when you feel it, it really is. This is good. Yeah. Okay. And then we have more videos with this one. I'm just reminding oh, whoopsie. What was that? So yeah. And whatever I think of it, the slime, what you'll need is, I'm not going to make it right now. What you'll need is glue. Put it into the tub. And put shaving cream, whatever kind. At least if you're using a gel kind like I did. And y'all just don't quite smell y'all. And if you're using a gel, you take it in a separate container and mix it all up. And for water solution, just 4 cups of water and 1 tablespoon of borax sodium. I bought mine off eBay. I would say eBay is the best one to get it out of, and Amazon. But I just don't buy Amazon because it's too expensive. And guys, this is my kitchen. My mom has another kitchen. So yeah, there's nothing really to do. Oh, you're wondering, does this thing stretch? But really guys, look. Oh god. So yeah, on the camera it might look like a dark blue, but really it's how do you say it? It's like it's like a very pastel like green. So guys, if you like it, give it a big thumbs up and try and hit the subscribe button.